In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google AdSense account for YouTube. By the end, you'll have your YouTube presence linked in Google's ecosystem and your billing details set, so you're ready for monetization and future payouts. Make sure you're on a desktop browser, signed in with the Google account you use for your channel, and that you have any required permissions on that channel. Start by heading to the Google Ads homepage and signing in. Even if you're focused on YouTube earnings, you'll use this interface to connect your channel and set up billing information that Google relies on for payments and account verification. Once you're in, look toward the top navigation bar for the Tools menu. Depending on your layout, it may be labeled or appear as a wrench icon. Click that to open the workspace where account setup features live. From there, choose Data Manager. This is where Google centralizes product connections and data sources. Inside Data Manager, locate the YouTube option. Selecting YouTube brings you to the area dedicated to managing the connection between your Google account and your YouTube channel. Click Link to begin the connection flow. You'll see prompts to confirm the channel you want to link and the permissions that will be granted. When asked, type the channel name exactly as it appears and carefully confirm the details before proceeding. If a confirmation window or authorization screen appears, accept the permissions so Google can properly associate your channel. Take a moment to double-check you're linking the correct channel, especially if you manage multiple brands. After completing the link, move to the billing section of your account. This is where you set up your payment method and enter your legal details. Add the billing country, choose the correct account type, and enter the legal name and address exactly as they appear on your bank and tax documents. Consistency here helps avoid verification delays. Then add a valid payment method. Even if you don't plan to run ads, having billing verified can streamline identity checks and ensure future payouts go smoothly. Make sure the card or bank account you provide is active and matches the name on the account. That's it. You went to Google Ads, opened the Tools menu, used Data Manager to find YouTube, clicked Link, and completed the channel details. Then set up billing and your payment method. Keep your information up to date and you'll be ready for monetization, policy reviews, and timely payments. Thanks for watching and good luck with your channel.